I'm Angie, and today we'll be doing a stretch class for the full body. So let's sit in a nice, comfortable position. I'm sitting on a block here, but listen to your body. What's comfortable? Closing your eyes, in through the nose, out through the nose. We want a nice, slow, steady breath today as we stretch. Let's take a nice deep inhale. On your next exhale, let's drop our head forward. Stretch the back of our neck. Hold here. Really try to focus on relaxing the muscle that we're stretching today. And nice and slow, we're going to roll our head side to side. Nice slow breaths here. When you find a spot that's tense or tight, we stop. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale, relaxing those muscles. Let's bring our head back to center. Let's do a few shoulder rolls. Inhale those shoulders up. Exhale back and down. Let's do that a few times. Follow your breath. Let's do a few in the opposite direction. Back and up, forward and down. Okay, let's reach those hands in front, clasping your fingers, rounding our shoulders. Let's take a few breaths here. Feel this stretch in our shoulder blades, maybe even into that lower back. And let's release those hands, reach behind, clasp our fingers, open up our shoulders, stretching those shoulders back and down. Let's take a few breaths here. Remember to relax those facial muscles. Let's drop our head forward, rolling our head side to side if you'd like to stretch those neck muscles again. Now let's bring our head back to center, releasing those hands, coming off our block if you're sitting on one. Right hand drops to the mat, left arm reaches up. Feeling this nice stretch in our left side, let's take a few breaths here. Neck is comfortable. You can drop those eyes down. And other side, left hand drops down, right arm reaches up. Take a few breaths here. Nice long exhales, helps relax those muscles. And coming back to center, let's bow forward, hands in front, walking those hands down. Let's take a few breaths here. So when we stretch, we only go as far as we feel a deep stretch. We stop, take a nice deep inhale and exhale, maybe go a little deeper on that exhale. And slowly coming up. Let's bring the soles of the feet together. Do our butterfly pose, sitting up nice and tall. Taking a breath in, on your exhale, bow forward. Same here, going only as far as you feel a deep stretch. Stop. Take a nice deep inhale and exhale. Allow those muscles to relax. Taking one more breath here, nice deep inhale through the nose. Exhale it out through the nose. All right, slowly coming up. Now let's place that left heel underneath that right glute, and that right knee stacks on top of our left knee. Then we just bow forward. If those knees aren't right on top of each other, that's fine. We're just stretching those glutes. Take a few breaths here. Just relaxing into this pose. And slowly coming up. Other side. Right heel goes into that left glute. Left leg up and over, knees stacked if you can, taking a breath in. Exhale, bow forward. Let's hold here. Breathing in and out. And maybe when you hold these poses, you shift around a little bit. Just listen to your body on these stretches. All right, when you're ready, slowly coming up, let's straighten those legs. And we're going to reach for those toes. If you can't reach for those toes, you can drop those hands where you can reach, or you can always grab a strap, wrap the strap around your feet, pulling that way. Let's take a few breaths here. Pulling a little deeper on our exhale, relaxing those kneecaps. Let's take a few more breaths here. Maybe pulling a little deeper on your exhale. And slowly coming up, let's open up those legs, nice and wide. Let's walk those hands down in the center. Once again, go only as far as you feel a deep stretch, stop. And take a nice slow breath in through the nose, exhale it out through the nose, holding this pose. All right, let's walk those hands to the right, facing those toes. Take a few breaths here. Notice where you're feeling this stretch, maybe on the left side, maybe the back of that right leg. All right, let's walk those hands to the left until you're facing those left toes this time. Take a breath or two here. And let's come back to center. Let's bring those legs together, moving to our back. Once we're there, let's tuck those knees into our chest. You can rock side to side if you'd like. Just give that lower back a little massage, making a few nice big circles with those knees in one direction and the other. Now let's set that left foot on the mat, right ankle on that left knee. Let's pull that left knee in towards us. Take a few breaths here. You can rock side to side. We're stretching that piriformis muscle here that pinches off the sciatic as we get older. Using that breath. And lower down, other side. Left ankle goes on that right knee, pulling that knee in towards you. Hold here. And slowly coming out, let's move into a full body stretch. Hands above our heads, legs are straight. Let's take a few breaths here, feeling the stretch in our stomach, shoulders, arms. Now let's pull that right knee into our chest, stretching those glutes for a breath or two. When you're ready, let's drop that knee to our left, hip comes up. Let's stretch that lower back, shoulder blades stay on the mat if you can, looking to our right. You can even shift that lower hip in. Take a breath or two here. And slowly coming out, other side, right leg is straight, left knee tucked in. Let's take a few breaths here, stretching those glutes, breathing in and out. And let's drop that knee to the right this time. Hip comes up. Looking to our left. Let's take a few breaths here. Focus on relaxing that lower back. Maybe even imagine you're breathing into that lower back. On your exhale, those muscles just relax even more. And slowly coming out, let's do our happy baby, pulling those knees in. We reach for the soles of our feet. You can rock side to side, moving those heels in and out. We can move into a butterfly pose again, soles of the feet together. Stretch those inner thighs. Take a few breaths here. Let's bring those knees together. If you'd like, you can rock forward and back. Nice massage for that spine. If this is too much, just meet us in seated position. All right, coming up to seated position, you can sit back on that block if you'd like. Sitting up nice and tall wherever you are. Closing our eyes, shoulders back and down. Facial muscles relaxed. Focus on your breath. Inhale through the nose. Exhale it out through the nose. Let's take a few more breaths here. Maybe even moving those facial muscles around, stretching those muscles, opening up your mouth. All right, maybe dropping your head forward one last time, rolling your head side to side. And sitting up nice and tall, hands in prayer position. Let's take a couple breaths here, in through the nose, out through the mouth. And when you're ready, namaste. Thanks for joining me today. Remembering to take nice deep breaths throughout the day. Just slowing that heart rate down, relaxing those muscles. Have a great day. Hope to see you soon.